doing diligence on this business without our wives getting really pissed at us.
We thought when we told our wives we found a dating company with zero customer acquisition cost that they would understand.
They really did. I'd like to introduce Acquaintable.
Before I tell you how we're going to disrupt online dating, I want to thank Match.com for hosting us today. So we are Acquaintable, and we're on a mission to reinvent online dating by enabling people to meet friends of friends. I'm Joel Rodriguez, and I've been on a lot of dates. Not all of them have been successful. My friends, So I started Acquaintable because I actually gave up on online dating. My friends, a lot of them weren't online dating either. In fact, only 20% of singles actively online date. This is crazy to me. This number should be much higher. When asking my single friends why they weren't using online dating, I heard the same thing. Because of creeps. There weren't enough quality people. And one study found that 66% of people said online dating was dangerous. The cause of these problems, and the problem with all online dating sites, is that they're based on introducing users to strangers. But we don't typically date strangers. 70% of people meet their significant other through friends. There had to be a better way to online date than meeting strangers. And now there is. Introducing Acquaintable. We take the real world behavior of meeting through friends and bring it online. Now, online dating is a $2 billion market. And the best part about this market is that it's monetizable. People are willing to pay for services, sometimes $30 to $40 a month. But we don't think there's an opportunity just to take share. We think there's an opportunity to grow this market, to reach the 80% of singles that don't actively use online dating sites. Now, this isn't just a theory. We don't just think dating friends of friends is a better solution. We proved it. We launched an alpha with thousands of users. And here's what we learned. We learned that 15% of our users returned daily. That's up there with the retention metrics of top dating apps. People loved it, and they said it was unique. We had 35% of our users share with an average of 4 people, nearing a viral model. This is very high for the not viral dating space. And in dating, distribution is one of the biggest challenges because of high user acquisition costs. On Acquaintable, people invite their friends because it makes their experience better. This gives us a huge advantage over competitors, as it enables us to have a drastically lower user acquisition cost. Lastly, Acquaintable will appeal to women, because women found dating friends of friends more comfortable. Not so surprising. The percentage of women on Acquaintable was 20% higher than the percentage of women on top online dating apps. So we took these learnings and we built a better, more scalable version of the site just in the last 4 months. I'm excited to introduce to you the new Acquaintable.
Friends of friends through a fun, easy experience. Meet Samantha, who heard about Acquaintable from a friend. She goes to acquaintable.com, clicks Connect Privately, logs in with Facebook, and is brought right into her experience. Immediately, she sees a friend of a friend, Jay. She didn't have to fill out a long profile or search for anyone. Most importantly, she doesn't have to worry about creepy strangers, as everyone Samantha sees will be a friend of a friend. She can see Jay's basic profile information, see how they're connected, and see additional photos. She has a decision to make, whether to like or pass on Jay. If she passes on Jay, Acquaintable skips to the next recommended friend of a friend. But if she likes Jay, and Jay likes her, Acquaintable connects them. She clicks on Like Jay. and now sees the next recommended friend of a friend. Jay gets an email saying, someone liked you on Acquaintable. It's anonymous, but he knows that one of the friends of friends that he'll see today liked it. Intrigued, Jay clicks the link and goes right into his experience on Acquaintable. The fun of Acquaintable is in its game-like interaction. Users get to discover friends of friends in a risk-free and rejection-free way. Finally, Jay comes to Samantha. He doesn't know it yet, but when he clicks like, he's going to match with her. And this is what it looks like. That's the magic of Acquaintable. Getting introduced to a friend of a friend you would have otherwise never met. Now Jay can choose to send her a message or keep playing.
So that's Acquaintable. So we launched an alpha and got some impressive traction, and then we rebuilt the site to the beta that you just saw. It's more scalable and a much better version. And I'm excited to announce today that we're launching this beta for you guys all to try. Go on your mobile browsers to acquaintable.com, and if you're not single, tell your friends. I promise I'll get them some dates. Now let me introduce you to the team that's going to make this all happen. I'm Joel Rodriguez. I spent the last 2.5 years before working on Acquaintable in venture capital. I worked with and invested in small technology companies. Peter Bowling is my co-founder and CTO. He's built and scaled social networking sites like A Small World, and most recently came as a lead developer from Bloomberg.com. He's a rock star and built the entire app you just saw in the last 4 months. We've raised $200,000 of a $500,000 round that we're using to scale our user base and to build an iOS app. If you want to be a part of disrupting a $2 billion market and are passionate about online dating, please go to Acquaintable.com and come find us at our booth. Thanks so much.